Morning, Year 8. So last lesson you would have had a look at how to recreate my Chaser game, figuring out the code. Uh, this lesson I've sent you a link to my Digitech game sample, and it incorporates a new variable which was a timer. So through your Google Classroom you will have this link here where you can play it and see how the timer works. And I thought I'd run this separate tutorial just to show you how the code works for that. So I'm going to go to create, and I'm just going to make a timer appear and start counting down. It's quite simple. So in variables, you want to click on make a variable. You can call it timer. Click OK. Here it is. And let's just say you just want it for a level 2. So I'm going to create a second backdrop. There's 1. 2. And when you click on a backdrop, these tabs change and one becomes backdrop, and you can see the levels I've got here. So I'm just going to delete the white one. Alright, 1 and 2. So I might start on 1. And I might just say event when flag is clicked, wait 5 seconds, and I might say change to the next backdrop. Baseball 1, basketball 1. So flag is clicked, it'll be on basketball 1, it'll wait 5 seconds, it'll switch to baseball 1. Okay, and the timer, I want to hide it just to start with. And I might actually put that code on the sprite, not the backdrop. There we go. Alright. And hide. So when the flag is clicked, hide my variable of timer, switch to basketball 1, wait 5 seconds, and then switch to baseball 1. Now, in events, instead of the flag clicked, there's other options here which can start your code. So there's one here that says when backdrop switches to. So you can drag this one in. When the backdrop switches to baseball 1, that's when I want to show my timer. Okay, show variable my timer. Now we have to start writing the code for what the timer has to do. So in control you've got forever, and there's also one here, repeat. I'm just going to make my counter go for 10 seconds, that'll be fine. So repeat, and we're going to think what we want it to do. So the timer's going to start at 10, so I better tell it to set at something. Set my variable timer to 10, and then we'll repeat something for 10 seconds, which would be to change it by -1. So change my variable timer by -1. So I want it to count downwards. How often do I want it to change by 1? Every second. So we need to throw a wait in there. So wait 1 second, change it by -1. Go back up the top. On the next repeat, wait a second, change it by 1. That should work. Let's give it a go. Okay, so we've got basketball 1 there. We want to change this to baseball. Stop. Start. Okay, so time is hidden. In 5 seconds time from when it started, changes. There's our timer counting down. We'll wait till it gets to 0, and it should stop because it's on a repeat, not a forever loop. Okay, that's as easy as it is to introduce a timer. So see if you can create either a new game or a new level where it introduces a timer that counts down from a certain number.